Hey everybody. Well, unfortunately for her and fortunately for everybody else, Emily is going to teach us another lesson in how not to be a witch and how not to be a pagan. Now, last night, Emily posted a video showing off her latest altar. That is the image on the left. Okay. That's the one with the tapestry hanging on the wall. Okay, that is her Norse hell altar. The picture on the right is her Santa Morte altar. That image was used in a video, I'd say roughly 2 weeks ago. Okay, she changes quickly. But do you see the problem? Here, in case you don't see it, here it is. On the left side of each altar, or each image, look at what's on the altar. Okay. The quartz piece is in the same exact spot. There's a Himalayan salt candle in the same exact spot. There is a dark stone rod in the same exact spot. There's that white candle right next to the Himalayan salt candle in the same exact spot. Right next to there is another piece of quartz, I believe, that's in the same exact spot. So what happened here is Emily did not clean her altar. She just wanted to grab a couple pieces and move them from one table to the next. And she's calling that good. And all of a sudden, hey, I got a new altar. Well, the problem here with this is, one, for the spiritual aspect, this is being disrespectful to the gods and goddesses, because you are taking the altar from Santa Morte and you're only taking a couple pieces off because no white Jesus, and putting it on another table for Santa Morte's newer altar. So really, Santa Morte was offended as well, but she couldn't put forth the effort to clean the space. Now, if you are a witch, you already know where I'm going to next. The energies in the death deity type altar for Santa Muerte, all those energies were still there, and she's now putting it on her Norse altar. Okay? That pentacle is still out of whack with the wall. It's not straightened up. Okay, so she could not put forth the energy to do a cleansing. She is just throwing pieces here, there, everywhere. And thus, it just shows how little she knows about paganism and witchcraft. When you are making an altar, yes, you have the freedom to design it as much as you want, as little as you want. You can have really wild color schemes and all that. You have the right to do whatever you want with your altar. But, there's always that but you have to make sure that you cleanse the area and that you make it respectful to the gods. If you're just going to go, well, I got to move white Jesus and put my statue of whatever here, and now it's a Norse altar, it doesn't work that way. I mean, when I move my altar around, even if it's basically the same stuff is going up there, I always make sure I grab the Windex, I wipe the wood down and make it clean. My tapestries always get washed. I have a feather duster. I dust off every single item that goes on that altar. Why? Because it's important to me. It is cleanliness is next to godliness, they say. Well, this is a shitstorm, and so there is nothing spiritual about these altars because they're filthy. Okay? I know this makes me sound like I'm being an asshole to this Emily, but hopefully she sees this video and she learns something. Hopefully she will take this new altar that she's claiming that's Norse and clean it, cleanse it. And hopefully she will never do this again. But I doubt it. And I want you out there to learn that, we can't just do the easy, lazy stuff when it comes to our spirituality and to our witchcraft. We have to put forth the effort. And this is not the way to do it. Okay? So, everybody, please do not set up your altars this way. Your energies are going to be all screwed up, and it's disrespecting the deities. All right. So everybody, please take care. Be at peace.